The RSI with region crossovers shares the same values as the regular RSI. The only difference lies in how it is traded. With the RSI with region crossover, a buy signal is sent once the RSI comes out of an oversold area. So for example, let's say that you set the RSI to be oversold at 30. Therefore, the RSI with region crossover will send a buy signal when the value of the RSI goes below 30 and then climbs back up above 30. This is great because it eliminates the biggest threat to oscillators that I mentioned earlier, since you are not buying a coin that is constantly falling anymore, but instead you are buying a coin that is starting to recover again. The sell signal for the RSI with region crossover is essentially the opposite and will occur when the value of the RSI comes down below the overbought threshold. For example, imagine that the overbought threshold is 70. Thus, you'll get a sell signal when the RSI goes above 70 and then comes back down below 70. This is great in a trending market because just as an asset can be oversold for a long time, it can also be overbought for a long time, meaning that if the price is currently high, it can still go significantly higher. Therefore, this will help you follow the trend more and sell significantly higher than a regular oscillator in a strong trend. However, what is important to note here is that this is a one-off signal and not a sticking signal as with the regular oscillators. Therefore, you'll only get one signal at the crossover point. As a result, you will need to use the keep candle 4 feature if you want to use it with other indicators that only give one signal. Another option is to use it with trend following indicators like the MESA or parabolic SAR, which do provide sticking signals.